got it.
Ooh, big one. Big pike. Big pike. Oh, he slammed it. He slammed it. I hope I don't lose my lure. I don't. Oh my God, did he bite me off? No, he didn't. I lost him. Did you get it?
I got it.
Oh man, that was a big pike. I don't have a steel leader on either.
Oh.
That was a beautiful pike. Do you see him jump?
Yeah, I saw him jump.
All
He's
right, well, I'll
big.
get another one because it's weedy in here. It's full of pike. I told you this lake has got big, big fish in it, man.
Here we go.
I'll get another one. All right, guys. Down here at Allegany State Park. Bridget and I are going to have a picnic out on a peninsula on the water. And she wanted her hoodie, so I went back to the van to go get it. And I'll show you guys where we're going to be picnicking. Got Gigi with us. We may or may not be doing Bridal Falls hike today. It's a hike to a waterfall. I'm not sure the mileage on it. I'll have to check to see how far it is. But I absolutely love Allegany State Park, you guys. This is our biggest park in Western New York. The biggest park in New York State and in the country is Adirondack State Park. That's the biggest state park in the entire United States. And we eventually want to make our way up there and go check out the Adirondack State Park. But on this end of the state, in southwestern New York, it's Allegany State Park. And this is a beautiful one. So let me turn you guys around. Who's the pretty woman down here at the end of the lane? You want some company for lunch? Look how pretty this is, you guys. Right here on this peninsula. It's 2 picnic tables. It's Monday and we have it all to ourselves. How's that sound?
That sounds great.
There you go.
It's beautiful out too.
It is beautiful.
Look down by the shore.
Yeah.
All these roots.
I know it. Really good fish in here. I should go back to my van and get my pole. Do some fishing while I'm here.
You can.
Yeah, I used to fish this. This is Red House Lake. I used to fish this with my canoe over the years. I fished it a lot. And the van is parked over there in the parking lot. Look how beautiful. Boy, these roots are some serious trip hazards, huh?
Yeah. Terrible.
Very, very pretty. Very pretty place. Now, I videoed driving the entire State Route 1 that runs through the heart of this park that divides Quaker End from Red House End. I videoed that. However, this park, as you see behind me, is not in peak color yet. It's getting there, but it's not there yet. And that drive, though I videoed it, if I were to video that drive when it's in peak, that State Route 1 is on the register of the top 10 most scenic drives in North America. And because it's just nothing but woods on both sides of the road, and it's a winding 2-lane road that goes all the way through the heart of this park, and in the fall it's absolutely scenic and gorgeous. So not many people here, being that it's Monday, so I bet over the weekend this place was packed. But very, very pretty. So we're just gonna hang out here and have a lunch. We got some wraps and some chips and some drinks, and we're gonna just enjoy being here at Allegany State Park. Okay guys, this is my setup for today that I'm fishing with. I'm fishing with the Fenwick Eagle 2-piece, 6.5 foot. It's got a nice cork handle. And this is the Daiwa Crossfire 2000. Really nice setup. Really pretty. I like it. It's got stainless guides on it all the way down. Really pretty. Got one. Small bass. Small little largemouth. We've won about 5 times that size. Okay guys, here at Allegany State Park, and we're going to hike Bridal Falls. We are here. We gotta go up to here.
Pretty in here.
Yeah. Just watch your route so you don't trip. Well, you guys, that there behind me is Bridal Falls, but because we haven't had any rain, it's basically dried up. Let me show you. This thing should be gushing down this cliff right here. That should be a huge cascading waterfall, and there's just a little bit of water coming off right there. That's how dry we've been. We haven't had rain, you guys, in so long. But because it's a short hike, I will come back in the spring with a snow runoff, and this thing would just be a torrent. It would just be gushing. It's quite high. It's about 60 feet tall. But with no rain and a drought, this is it. This is all you get. Bummer. The creek is very, very low. The water's barely even flowing through it. Look how beautiful it is there behind beautiful Bridget. Very scenic in here. Well, this is a place I always wanted to come and visit. Unfortunately, visiting it the first time in a drought, I wasn't expecting anything. But it's still beautiful. It's still the outdoors. Look how crystal clear and clean this water is. Just beautiful. With this gigantic mammoth rock right here. Well, honey, we'll have to come and see Bridal Falls in the spring.
It'll be flowing pretty good by then.
Yeah. It's just a trickle. Huh. Oh well. So be it. Give you guys a look up here. The top of this humongous rock. Man, is this thing huge. What does this say? Forever mist in the woods. the water and the wind, your soul rests. It's a memorial stone, you guys. A memorial stone for somebody. Somebody's loved one passed away. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll come back and visit these waterfalls when there's actually water flowing over them. That was the world's shortest hike. That's the shortest hike I ever went on. It took us, what, 2 minutes to get here?
Yeah.
Maybe a minute?
It was about 80 feet.
80 feet away from the car. But that's it. We'll come and visit it when it's gushing. Boy, we need rain bad. Let's go, Gigi. Come on, baby girl. There you go. About 40 feet down. And there's the falls, and it dead ends, and you just come back out of the woods. That is the shortest hike I've ever done in my life. 40 feet. Oh, well. We're not too far from Black Bear Springs, and then there's Fire Tower. There's a Tornado Trail. They got all kinds of trails here in Allegany State Park. Some of them are short, some are loops, some are in and back, and some are many, many miles. So here it has it all. It has every kind of trail for every type of hiking level based on experience and endurance. And that's what's nice about this park is that they have a trail here for everybody. Yeah, they got paved trails, concrete trails. They got fishing, docks here, you name it. They got it all. So now we're just going to load up and head down State Route 1 through the park, back through the scenic drive, and see what other trailheads there are and what the distance is. I have all the maps at home on my computer. I just haven't printed any out because I don't have a printer yet, but I definitely need to get some maps printed out and put them in some waterproof sleeves and stuff so I have them for reference in the future. But yeah, there's I want to eventually hike every single trail in this state park and accomplish them all. And it would take a while, so several weekends to just go and do all the different trails. But I think that would be a good time. So now we're going to just head up Route 1, going right up through the heart of the park. And we're going to get over to the other side and check out some more trailheads. Well, you guys, I'm going to try fishing here at Quaker Lake and look at the color of the leaves in the trees. The whole lake goes all the way up that way, and then down here it turns into like a creek, a nice deep channel. And I've caught some beautiful fish down here, you guys. How beautiful is this? Nice deep channel all the way down through here for fishing. There's an island out there. Beautiful Allegany State Park, New York. So I got a spinner that I made over the last winter. I'm gonna give it a go, see what happens.
Got it.
Ooh, big one. Big pike. Big pike. Oh, he slammed it. He slammed it. I hope I don't lose my lure. Oh my God, did he bite me off? No, he didn't. I lost him. Did you get it?
I got it.
Oh man, that was a big pike. I don't have a steel leader on either.
Oh.
That was a beautiful pike. Do you see him jump?
Yeah, I saw him jump. He's
right,
big.
I'll get another one because it's weedy in here. It's full of pike. I told you this lake has got big, big fish in it, man.
Here we go.
I'll get another one. This is the time of night to catch them too. For a minute there, I thought he bit me off and got my lure because I don't have a steel leader on. Made my drag sing. Right over there is where I enticed him from. smallmouth bass in here. There's largemouth bass. There's pike, rainbow trout, brown trout, brook trout. There's everything in here. Rock bass. Well, you guys, it was a beautiful day down here at Allegany. Did some fishing, lost a really nice pike, but win some, lose some. But look at the color over there, coming in the hills and reflecting in the water on Great Quaker Lake. This lake has got some of the best fishing in it you would ever find anywhere. So anyway, we're gonna head home, you guys. We're gonna get a bite to eat on the way home. Thanks for coming along and watching. We'll see you guys again in the next one. Bye-bye.